It's been 14 days since the subdivision of the 44,000 acres of Mwea scheme in Mbeere, South Embu County began. It is projected that the exercise that has seen a team of security and surveyors converge at Makima Ward, the DO's office, every day ends this week if the weather allows. Now, security officers have been deployed to check all vehicles entering Mbeere South through Karaba are not ferrying groups of people from Kirinyaga County who want to interfere with the exercise. While there are claims that interested groups from Kirinyaga County held meetings to persuade leaders there to interfere with the process and claim ownership of the land.
Yes.